see them in Kensington, there is a bunch of unisex toilets near the cafe, which has four or five Series 2000 ST Anders. But they're all branded as different companies, which is really weird. But one of them, I have to say, is pretty rare. But we'll get on to that in the video. These toilets are extremely busy, as there's loads of people queuing up for these toilets. So getting to all the hand dryers can be a bit difficult. There's all the people. There's also some disabled toilets as well, not radar, but they have paper towels, not hand dryers. But anyway, let's get on with the video. With toilets in the V&A, they all have Under 2000 STs, but all installed by different companies. This one is installed by Airvent, but this is really busy. Got loads and loads of people. One of them is installed by Heatstore, which we're hopefully going to go to next. And one's installed by Pro, which we're going to go to next. And there we go. An Ander series S2000 ST branded as Ander in here. The actual made product. This really weird tap. This one has a weird motor, but it's actually branded as Ander. It's actually branded as Ander. There's another one, there's ones branded as Pro in here and Heatstore, which I'm going to try and get to next, but these toilets are extremely busy. This one I was told there actually. This one is actually branded as Ander. Quite weird to see the actual Ander branded as Ander themselves. Ander branded as Heatstore. The actual Ander branded as Ander and an Ander branded as Heatstore is weird. This one is slower Ander. And this one has a bit of a weird motor. The Ander branded Ander. Right, I think we've got one more to go.